OpenAI spent over $100 million just to train ChatGPT. Not to run it. Not to host it. Just to create it once. And here's the kicker, they lose money every time you use it. A single conversation costs them cash. This is not sustainable. So how does a company burn through billions and stay alive? In the next few minutes, you're about to discover why training AI is absurdly expensive, where all that money actually goes, and why companies like OpenAI are in a billion-dollar race that might never pay off. Stick around, the last fact will explain why this matters for your future. Here's the first shocker, training ChatGPT required 10,000 of the world's most powerful GPUs, specialized chips that cost $10,000 each. Just the hardware alone? $100 million. But the real cost is electricity. Running those 10,000 chips continuously for months? Imagine powering a small city. That's another $10 to $50 million. And we haven't even paid a single engineer yet. Then you need humans. Hundreds of them. Machine learning engineers. Data annotators. Quality control teams. People who carefully labeled thousands of conversations to teach the AI what good answers look like. A single elite ML engineer costs $300,000 plus per year. Hire 200 of them? Do the math. But this is just training. ChatGPT isn't done learning after month 1. Here's the dark part, ChatGPT loses money on every single user. Each conversation costs OpenAI about 1 cent in computing power. They charge nothing. $0. You get free access. So why would a company do this? Because they're betting that someday, someway, enough people will pay for a premium version or API access that they'll eventually profit. That day hasn't come yet. And the final mind break, ChatGPT is old. It was released in November 2022. OpenAI has been training GPT-4, GPT-5, and models you've never heard of ever since. Each generation costs more than the last because they need more data, more compute, more human feedback. We're talking $500 million to $1 billion per model. This is an arms race. OpenAI, Google, Meta, they're all spending insane amounts because the company that stops spending loses. So here's what actually matters. We're in the middle of a technological gold rush where the biggest tech companies are burning billions to build AI they're not sure will ever make money. That's insane. But it's also genius. Whoever wins this race doesn't just make a product, they reshape civilization. You're living through it right now. The question isn't just how much does it cost, it's why is it worth it? And that's far scarier. Drop a comment, which fact shocked you most? And hit subscribe because this AI arms race is just getting started.